Hello everyone! Happy August 31st. Today we celebrate culinary creativity, magical legends, and a toast to global togetherness. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. A brand new month of celebrations starts tomorrow. First up, it's National Eat Outside Day. A fun excuse to savor fresh air and delicious meals. A perfect gift could be a picnic set, a folding table kit, or a cozy outdoor blanket. What's your dream picnic spot? Tell us in the comments. Next, it's National Trail Mix Day. A crunchy tribute to energy-packed snacking. A thoughtful gift could be a custom trail mix kit, a reusable snack pouch, or a hiking bag with treats. Got a go-to mix? Share your recipe below. Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's International Day of Solidarity. A powerful reminder that unity builds strength across borders. A great gift could be a bracelet from a global artisan, a donation to a peace initiative, or a heartfelt message of encouragement. What's one act of unity you've witnessed? Let's lift each other up. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!